Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Lace here, the cheeky bum, and I got a Michaels haul. I have a Michaels after Valentine's Day haul, and I got this stuff. I need to put it away, so that's why I'm doing a quick little haul. But I got this stuff, was it like a week and a half after Valentine, maybe 2 weeks after Valentine's Day. I don't even know what day it is today. Um, but everything was, I think, 75% off. I don't know. Good deals. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten it. Especially, I said I wasn't going to get paper pads, and I did. There's only a couple things that aren't Valentine's Day clearance, but I had a coupon or they were on sale at some point. So I didn't pay full price for anything. But I guess I'll get into it. I did find some good finds. I was surprised that they still have stuff, but there's still Christmas stuff. They still have Christmas stuff. That is like unbelievable. I don't know why, and I don't know if it's just mine or Michael's just kind of went away from it a little bit. Like, why are they not doing the mystery boxes anymore? It's like hit and miss if they do it or not, and when they do it, it's just a bunch of shit. But I feel like if they would do like the holiday mystery boxes like a month after, like, I mean, come on, they still have Christmas stuff and it is nearly March. Like, why are they not throwing that stuff into a mystery box to get rid of it? Like, this is why they're, I really hope that they're not the next one to go out of business, but it's like silly stuff like that. Like, throw it in a mystery box, because the stuff that's out is like, it's not bad stuff, just nobody necessarily wants it. But if it's a mystery box, people will still buy it because it's a mystery. They don't know what they're getting. So I don't know. That's just my two takes. My little morning rant, I guess. This is the only thing that was full price, but I had like a 30% off coupon or something. This is the St. Patrick's Day sticker pack. I usually don't buy, like, their stickers never really go on sale. And I don't feel like they're a great price, because I think this was like $7.99 or $8.99, but I got 30% off. I just don't have a whole lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff, so I thought it would be good to have in my stash. I really liked the puffy stickers on the back. You get this load of stickers and then a bunch of stickers here. Like, I guess I'll flip through these ones real quick because I really don't know what's in there. I wish they would put like a picture on the back of them showing what's within the pack, but they don't. So we got this little leprechaun. We got this couple different pieces. Oh, this is like just like a cardstock sticker. This little shamrock. We have this cute little frame. That's really cute. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Pot of gold. That's cute. Irish and proud. We have a rainbow. A couple more little shamrocks. A horseshoe. A hat. We have this one. This is a cute little frame that this pops out, and then you still have Stay Gold in there. Have another little rainbow. More little shamrocks. Little leprechaun. I like the little gold pieces. So yeah, you don't see any of this. It just kind of gets buried. So, and then this rainbow frame. That's really cute. So I'm glad I picked this up. Will I use it all this year? I don't know, but I'll have it in my stash for next year. I can see myself definitely using some of it. I just don't know if I'd use every little thing. So those are not going to go back in, right? Are they? Well, I'll put that back in later. And then I got these also. Were not, part of Valentine's, but these are on sale for like $5. I know a lot of people are walking through their Michaels and finding a ton of stuff on sale or clearance, and I am not. Mine doesn't have a whole lot, but going through my ink stash, I guess it's been like a week and a half ago, with Mika seeing what she had and what I didn't have, I decided these were $5. I'm going to pick up a couple more. I did not have speckled egg in my collection, and I did not have candied apple. So got those. And then the rest is Valentine's Day. There was one left of each of these, so I grabbed them. These were $2, $2.50 maybe. I can't remember, and I don't have my receipt. I've already stashed away. I think it's in my purse. But these little faceted beads are so cute. They're kind of like an odd shape. They're kind of like a squish shape. Let's see, can I open this real quick? Sometimes these little kits are hit and miss. Like, they're definitely not worth the $10, but when you can get them on sale, I feel like they are. There are some cute beads in here. I use these type of things all the time when I'm making my dangles. Sorry, I thought that would be easier than it was. But I wanted to show you they have these little love beads in here. These are cute. Like those. I feel like I have these like clear red faceted ones in another kit. We have these ones. Those are cute. These ones, they're cute. I think I used like this kind of color on all of my dangles this year. A couple little charms. I like to put these on like pokey tools or other little things. I mean, they work out good. Some just like little gumball beads. But I thought that this had a good mix. I really liked these ones down here. And then this love one also has some pink faceted beads, some heart beads, red heart beads, pink heart beads, these little gold disco ball beads, which I'll definitely use. I just, you know, for the price, it was a good deal, so I picked them up. I picked up this ribbon. See, this was Christmas. This was still in Christmas. It's just like this red little kind of twine, but I thought that I could use that in my stash. I think Christmas was 80% off, maybe more. I don't know. This was probably like $1. I'm not quite sure, but cheap. Next, I was able to find some of their glitter kits. I passed on these originally, but once they were 75% off, I was like, oh, okay. I think I paid, I don't know, like $1.50 for these. So I didn't think it was a half bad. I probably won't use the glitters a whole lot, but I was really intrigued by the center one, because it looks like almost like a flat kind of rhinestone. So I thought that they'd be really good for shakers and stuff. I don't know. I've seen other people haul these, but I don't know if I ever seen them like open them. I mean, the glitters aren't bad, especially for the price. They come in their own little container, which is always nice. I hate it when they're like in little bags. So those are cute, but I was mainly intrigued by these. Let's open them up. It's kind of like a flat-ish like rhinestone. I mean, I guess it's just like any other rhinestone, but they're just clear. They're just kind of like little acrylic pieces, but I feel like those would be cute in a shaker. We've already seen this shaker mix, and these are similar. I thought that they might be a little different, but I think they're just like a rhinestone, but with them being so flat and clear, they don't look like a rhinestone. So this is the purple pack, and then this is the pink pack. I really love this like pale pink glitter though. It's really cute. So for the price I paid, I feel like it was a good deal. A good deal. And next I got a bag of pom-poms. I was saying that I wanted some like teal and other colors. I have a lot of pink, white, different shades of pink and red, I think. I have orange in my stash, but I didn't have any of this like minty blue or purple, so happy to have those. I've been picking these up. So these ended up being like $1, maybe $1.25. And they're just sheets of foam. I picked up 1 red and 2 white after Christmas, and I'm glad that I did. But with all like the Valentine's crafting and stuff, I was like, oh, I'll pick up 1 more red. So I picked up another red, and then I picked up 2 of the pink ones. It's more of like a bubblegummy pink. I really wish it was like a pale pink, but I'm not going to complain because for the price, it's a great deal. You get 15 sheets for like $1.25. They're normally for $4.99, which isn't that bad for how many you get. I would wait at least until they went like 40% off, but like when you can pick them up for $1.50 or $1.25, why would you not? Because each sheet normally is like what, $1.50, $1.99. So it seems like a no-brainer to me. So, and last but not least, they had one each of each paper pad, and I picked them up. I said I wasn't going to pick them up, but the price, like I said, they were 75% off. So I paid like $4.99 for these, I think. So I was like, I really don't need them. But I think if I think about it, like a glitter sheet of cardstock is what, like $1.99 anyway. So if I'm gonna buy glitter cardstock, which I generally do at Hobby Lobby or Joann's, I never buy it at Michael's because I feel like theirs are overpriced. I think theirs are like $2.99 or $3.50 for glitter sheets. I can't remember. But I was like, it's worth it just for the glitter sheets itself. I didn't care for it as a collection, but I feel like individual pieces, like pieces of paper, not bad. And for the price, I would never pay the $20. I don't even know if I would have bought this at $10, but I paid like $5 or less for it. So I'll do a quick flip through. I feel like multiple people have already hauled this. You have this love sheet, which is okay, but it's kind of washed out. This one is cute. The cut aparts are okay. But we have this like iridescent white glitter, which is definitely usable. I do like these sheets. These are good for packaging and not necessarily for shakers because I feel like they're slightly cloudy. I mean, they're okay. They're not bad. But for packaging, it can be really cute. So I don't mind those, and these alone, you know, 3 sheets. Oh, I think there's 2 sets of 3. So for 6 sheets of this, I feel like that's probably worth $5 as well. We have this pink glitter, which is not my favorite shade of pink glitter, but, you know, again, will work. I don't mind this piece. I like this stripes. These flowers I feel like are just don't quite fit, but I mean, they'll be cute for spring. I don't know. Like, I probably wouldn't use it with this collection, but by themselves, it's okay. Bows are super popular right now. We have gold glitter, which is definitely usable. Here's another sheet of that. It's not acetate, it's plastic. But again, for packaging and stuff, this is really cute. I've made envelopes out of these, like just little envelope pouches to put things in, and they're really cute. And then we have red glitter. Again, I didn't care for it as a paper pack, like as a cohesive collection, but for $5, if I'm thinking about it as individual pieces of paper, it makes more sense to me. So, and then this one is, I feel like, a little cuter than the other one. It's a little bit more cohesive. We have donuts, which you can't go wrong with donuts. Hearts, I mean, pretty, like, I really like the checkered hearts. This one's really cute. You have this like holographic mosaic piece, which I could use for something. More of the like acetate. This is like a purpley pink. Yeah, this is not my favorite shade of glitter, but it will be in my stash now. I will probably, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to leave these in a pack by themselves or take them out and like put glitter with glitter, the clear acetates with the clear acetate sheets. Like I said, I don't feel like it's this year's paper pads were a very cohesive collection, but individually they're okay. XOXO, got red hearts, more hearts. I mean, they're cute. We have this mirrored metallic red, which definitely you can use for Christmas, Valentine's Day. We have this acetate, plastic, but this one's cute. It's like conversation heart, and then a pale pink glitter. So I don't know. I think that I might Frankenstein these and take them apart, and I will put, you know, the Valentine's-y ones into like my Valentine's stash, like paper, individual pieces of paper. I'll take the glitter and put it with glitter and so forth. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I won't grab, if I'm going to do any kind of crafting, I'm not going to grab this paper pad as a collection and use it. So that's just my 2 takes on the Michael's paper collections this year. Oh, I did grab this. This fell off to the side. So this is what they called whipped paint, which is like a textured paint. And I had seen this around Christmas, didn't grab it, didn't think of it. But when I was looking at it, I was like, I was looking at the back and I was like, this actually could be really cute for, I need to play with it and see, like, is it going to be squishy? Is it going to like flatten out if it's squished or not? But I thought that like for gingerbread houses or gingerbread men, this could be really cute to use to add like some snow dimension, icing dimension. So I want to play with it and see if it's worth it. Again, I paid like $1.25 for it. So at that price, I feel like if it's not worth it, then it's not that big of a deal. But I thought that I could play with this, and as long as it doesn't squish and like flatten out, like, you know, be impressed, you know, in something, then it would be cute to use for those purposes. If not, then, you know, it's okay. So that is my Michael's haul. I think I found some good things, but yeah, everybody's finding some good sales like just throughout the store that I am not finding. Maybe my stores are horrible at that. Like everybody does like Hobby Lobby clearance hauls. My Hobby Lobby rarely does like good clearances. I don't know why. I'm not great. Maybe it's just my location. I'm not sure, but I'm happy with the things I found. I got a good amount of stuff, and I think I only paid like $20. Like, it was cheap. I think, yeah, I want to say, I wish I had my receipt on me, but I don't. It was like $25 for everything. So, and the most expensive things were these and that sticker collection, that the sticker pack for St. Patrick's Day. So everything else was super cheap. So I think maybe it was like $25, $28 if I'm being honest, because these were close to $5. So anyway, good deals. I didn't pay full price for anything, and that makes me happy. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope that you guys find some good deals out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.